Hello everybody and welcome back to Couch to Coder. On today's episode, this will be a short one. We're just going to be discussing whitespace, and the objective is understanding whitespace in Python and what this means. Essentially, this is Python's organizer. So this is how it understands what goes inside of your if statement, what goes inside of your for loops, your while loops, your functions, and anything like that. So we'll just show a very simple example here on how whitespace works, and it'll give you a good idea on how this will apply to other things as well. So let's start with this if statement. We'll say if x is greater than 0, and we'll use our semicolon to define the end of our if statement. Then we'll say print hello. So in this case, we'll just say x is actually equal to 1. And we will go down here and say if x is less than 0, we will print goodbye. So what's happening here is everything that is within this single indent right here of this if statement is going to happen. So if I were to print world here, we'll see that we pass the x is greater than 0, given x is 1, we will get a hello world. And here, this if statement, the print goodbye, will not be satisfied, but since it started within a new line, it will have its own, I guess, it will occur after this if statement is complete. So you see hello and then world. So we'll take this similar concept and we will go ahead and print world down here. And basically what you will see will happen is you will satisfy this if statement again. You'll get hello. You won't satisfy this if statement, so you won't get the goodbye. And then you will print world, because these are all happening in the life cycle. This one first, this one second, this one third. And this is not nested under the non-satisfied if statement. So we'll go ahead and print this. We get hello world again, this time happening, printing the hello here, then not printing the goodbye, then here. So if we change this to a -1, then we are not satisfying the hello anymore. Rather, we're satisfying the goodbye, but you will print world no matter what. So now, as you can see, we got a goodbye world. Lastly, I can show you that you don't need to satisfy either of these if statements. So it's not greater than 0, it's not less than 0, for it to still print world. And you can see it prints world. This same structure applies for for loops. You can see after you put the semicolon, you get the indent. The same structure applies for while loops. Get the same indent, and the same structure applies for functions as well. Everything is nested under that same indent within my function. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any ideas that you'd like to see with any of these other videos, just leave it in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in another episode.